Hello guys, let's make today some super refreshing drink and enjoy the season to the fullest. So let's make some Muskmelon Smoothie. So let's begin. So here I have this muskmelon. I've cut them into dices. These are around 4 slices. So we'll put this in the mixer. So to this muskmelon, I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of Milkmaid. And 1.5 tablespoon of cream, fresh cream. Some handful of mint leaves, little salt, and I'm putting a pinch of nutmeg, jaifal, and some cold water, and we'll give this a mix. So let's mix this now. We'll give this a churn. So this is blended well. To this we'll add some cubes of ice. And we'll give this one more mix. So this creamy, nice and smoothie drink is just ready. We'll pour this into the glass. So I'll just add some ice cubes in this. To this we'll add the smoothie. We haven't added any sugar because the Milkmaid would balance the taste of sugar. And this super refreshing drink is ready. To this I'll just put some melon pieces, and some mint leaves. It's super delicious, super creamy and super refreshing. Do try and have fun sipping this.